Today I'll show you how to make a blur transition inside Premiere Pro. Okay, so the first thing to do after importing your videos or images on the timeline is to go to the project panel, click on new item, and then add an adjustment layer. Now go to the effects panel and search for Gaussian blur. Now grab the Gaussian blur onto your adjustment layer and head over to the effect controls panel. While of course selecting the adjustment layer, scroll down a little bit, and before adding the transition, make sure you have your time indicator at the exact point where the two clips meet. Set the blurriness value to 100 and click on the stopwatch to make a keyframe. Go back 10 frames using the left arrow key on the keyboard. You can go back further than that if you want the transition to last longer, and basically reset the value of the blurriness to 0. Now go back to the middle point and move forward 10 frames and set the blurriness back to 0. And that's how you get this transition going. You can then cut the adjustment layer if you want to make it smaller on the timeline. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. Also, feel free to watch this next tutorial.